Mommy! 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 Morning! Welcome back to the vlog. How is everybody? So today we are going out to Jovia town today, but first we need to get our breakfast. So Manny and Mel had to go on without me back up to the room because Melanie was just being too loud and she wouldn't eat her toast or anything. So Manny had to take her on up. And I sat there drinking my coffee on my own. I'm going up to see them now though, see how she is. Hopefully she doesn't act like that in the town today. Melanie is on the naughty chair. Hi! No, hi, you're on the naughty chair. You're being bold at breakfast. I'm going to make her stay on the naughty chair for about 15 minutes. It's a nightmare when they go on the gap because like she is disturbing other people's breakfast when you think of it. I know she's only a kid, but they never came on holiday to hear like a kid being spoilt, you know what I mean? So she's getting disciplined. She's on the naughty chair and she will remain there until I say so, Mel. You'll be staying there until I say so. Parent life, guys.
As he's taking these punches, he starts continuing to get stronger and stronger. And that's why possibly, maybe in the beginning, he's giving a little bit of a run and going for Vegeta and eventually, because I see him like smashing Vegeta Super Saiyan, he's normal, into the ground. And it's like, okay,
nice.
As he's fighting again, he's getting Zenkai boost, and that's why possibly towards
these noodles are coming in so handy for when we're hungry during the day. When we're sitting in during the day. We're just waiting on the cleaners to come and go. And then we're gonna go into town, I think. I have 5 noodles left out of 14, which is good. Because I've been giving Melanie some too. It just really helps when you're starving, if you know what I mean. And you're not looking to spend money, you just have them in the hotel room because we have a stove and all. Right, guys and girls, we are heading out now. We're going to see if we can get on one of the wee boats down in Billy's boats. In Jovia Beach, no. You need them? Huh? Annie's going to go get a towel. For me, no. Yeah, as I said, we're going to Jovia Beach to try and get on a boat. Yesterday he was saying that the wee paddling boats are only €15 for an hour. And then there's other ones that are €30 for an hour. So we'll see the crack. We'll probably go for the paddling boat though. Because it's cheaper. It's cheaper. And I think it'd be wild funny trying to paddle and steer and all that in the sea. There'd be some going like. I remember me done it down in Donegal and Dunleary where our legs were wrecked after it. But I think it'd be funny, all the same. It's a very humid day. It's still like 32 degrees, but it's covered in clouds, which makes it very, very warm and sweaty. It's a sticky day. It's a sticky day. So I think it's actually a better day to go in the water and the sea and stuff. Going boating, because if we went yesterday, I think we would have been all burnt asunder. What do you reckon? My back was burnt yesterday, and I was wearing factor 50, like applying it every 2 hours, I'd say. And I was burnt asunder, so I think with the cloud coverage, we'll be safe for the day. Well, hoping so anyway. We're here at Corfu Beach now. We're just gonna walk up now to Billy's Jet Ski, I think it's called. Aye, Billy's Jet Ski. And we're gonna get on a boat.
Άλλο.
Ώστε να μην το σφίγγει κιόλα.
Και το άλλο. Αυτό. Okay, does it matter how...
Right guys, we're on the boat! Oh my god, I'm so scared, honestly. I am freaking out. Man is driving it.
Hey! What's up guys? We're in the waves. Trying to avoid all these boats. Jess is freaking out. I have my boat license, so we'll be alright. I just acquired my driving license a minute ago. Hello!
The boat ride's making Melanie tired.
Rocking her to bed.
It's rocking her to sleep, like Manny said. But it's making me, I don't know, I'm just filled with anxiety. There's so many rules, like that's why I'm freaking out. Mommy! 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 Madness! Woohoo! So class! So awesome! About 22 minutes to get back, so we can go as slow as we want because we've got a lot of time left. But this is absolutely amazing. Actually amazing, loving it. Actually loving it. We are back in our hotel room. We are actually wrecked. I am sweating from walking back home. But that there boat journey was actually awesome. Wasn't it, Mel? Wasn't it good? Did you like the boat? Did you like the boat?
Bye. See you soon.
We really enjoyed driving the boat. I would highly recommend doing it when you're on holiday. It was very good. I was nervous at the start, but once we got like into the middle of the sea, I sort of calmed down and realised that we were okay. And then when I was driving as well, I felt really relaxed and really calm. So that was good. So yeah, I'm gonna go get a really cold shower now because I am sticky. Be sticky. So I need to get a cold shower and wash my body. We're walking down to get our dinner now. So excited to eat. It's like 9 o'clock at night. I'm starving. Hi. Hello. Guys, the weather is so warm. It's actually 9 o'clock at night and it's still like 28 degrees. Madness. All smelly and flowers. Mmm. So good. is us back up in the room, isn't it, Meal? She ate all her food. Good girl. You were very good downstairs. Guys, there's a wee baby lizard in our hotel room. Don't know where he is now. He's hiding. He's a wee cutie. But yeah, I'm going to end the vlog. Thank you so much for watching today. If you enjoyed it, give me a big thumbs up. Comment down below. And most importantly, smash the subscribe button for free. Remember to hit the bell, you get a notification every time we upload. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye!